In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flatten a position instantly using the TradingView DOM, also known as the depth of market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, knowing how to quickly manage your positions is crucial. TradingView offers a sleek and efficient way to achieve this with just a few simple clicks. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, let's start by locating the trade panel within the TradingView interface. Typically found at the bottom of your chart, you'll notice a button labeled Trade. This feature is key to managing your activities seamlessly. So go ahead and click on that Trade button. This action will open up the order panel, giving you access to various trading functions. Once you've got the Trade panel open, you'll want to focus on finding the DOM tab. DOM stands for Depth of Market, and it's an essential tool for many traders as it shows the liquidity at different price levels. In the order panel, simply click on the DOM tab. This will bring up the depth of market interface, where you can monitor current market prices and the corresponding buy and sell orders. Now that you're in the DOM panel, let's move on to flattening your position. This is where TradingView makes things wonderfully straightforward. Look towards the very bottom of the DOM panel, and you will find a button labeled Flatten. This button is your key to instantly closing all open positions for the particular symbol you're working with. Not only does it close your current positions, but it also cancels any pending orders, such as take profit or stop loss orders that may still be in place. Clicking this button is like hitting the reset switch. It brings you to a neutral state on that particular trade, ensuring that all associated orders are effectively dealt with in one go. This feature is particularly useful in volatile markets or whenever quick decision-making is required. It simplifies the process and gives you peace of mind, knowing that with one click, you can ensure no lingering positions or orders that might catch you off guard. And there you have it. With just these three straightforward steps, you've learned how to flatten a position using TradingView's DOM interface. It's a simple yet effective feature that enhances your control over your trades and helps manage risk more effectively. Keep practicing this process to become more comfortable with it, and soon enough, it will become a natural part of your trading routine. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.